Located behind the Visitor Center at Bosque del Apache Wildlife Refuge is a cactus garden that has several bird feeders. These feeders attract many desert dwelling birds like Gambel's quail. Gambel's quail is a ground feeding bird common in desert scrubs of southwestern United States. Both sexes have a distinctive dark teardrop shaped crest. Several other birds that we saw that day at the refuge were red-winged blackbirds, starlings, white-crowned sparrows, white-winged doves, house finches. Often found in flocks, red-winged blackbirds are one of the most common and abundant bird found in North America. Males are black with a signature red shoulder patch, and females are streaked brown and looks like a big sparrow. With striking black and white stripes on the head, white-crowned sparrow is a very common bird at the feeders, often seen in summer season in many parts of the states. White-winged doves are found across most of the southwestern states of United States. They are mostly seen in summer here and then migrate to Mexico in winter. White-winged dove is a bulky grayish-brown dove with conspicuous white patch on its wings.